Hi everyone, I am Lona and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm just excited to share with you my DIY egg recipe that's been a game changer for my hair growth journey. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my hair care tips and tricks. Before we dive into this recipe, I just want to take a moment and I want to thank God for blessing me with this hair growth. I know how challenging it can be, but I am incredibly grateful to be able to share what I have learned with all of you. So guys, let's get into it. So today guys, I'll be using egg yolks and I'm going to separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. The reason I am using egg yolks is because I have high porosity hair and this helps me to benefit from its moisturizing properties. Egg yolks are rich in fats and proteins. It also contains vitamins and nutrients. So lemon is also our other ingredient and I'm just extracting juice from it. And lemon juice has a lot of benefits. First, it is used for cleansing. Second, it is used for balancing pH. It's also an antifungal property. It also promotes hair growth and reduces smell. I'm also using honey in my recipe and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of honey into the egg and lemon mixture. So honey helps in moisturizing, nourishing and in general scalp health. I'm also going to add coconut oil into our mixture and I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and also coconut oil helps in moisturizing and nourishing hair. I'm just going to combine all the 4 ingredients together and this can provide a powerful treatment that can address various hair and scalp issues. So I'm just going to briefly talk about the benefits of combining all the 4 ingredients. So first, the eggs gives us the nourishment and strength. For honey, it gives us moisturization. For cleansing and scalp health, that is being given by the lemon juice. And the hydration and protection, that's what the coconut oil provides. We have to make sure that we mix all the 4 ingredients together until the mixture is perfect and it's smooth. So I'm just going to talk about the overall benefits of combining the ingredients. So the first one is comprehensive care. It reduces hair fall, it improves hair texture and promotes hair growth. So I'm just going to transfer this mixture into this small cup. This is going to make it work easier when I'm going to pour the mixture into the squeeze bottle, since I don't have a funnel. Using a funnel is easier because you don't have to deal with spillage. So this is my mixture, and using this combined hair mask once a week can help you achieve healthier and more lustrous hair. So that's how I prepare the mixture, guys. So guys, I just have my mixture ready for application, and to apply combined hair mask of lemon juice, eggs, coconut oil and honey, start by sectioning your hair. And for my case, I'm already starting to apply because I have braids, my natural hair braids. This makes work easier for me. I'm just squeezing small amounts of the mixture from the bottle and applying it direct on my scalp. As you continue applying the mask, gently massage it in to stimulate blood circulation and ensure all the nutrients penetrate deeply on the scalp. Make sure to work your way through each section or braids by applying the mask from the roots to the tips, ensuring your hair is fully coated. Our hair serves multiple functions, including protection against environmental elements, sensory perception, and aesthetic purposes. That's why we have to take care of our hair and always thank God for blessing us with hair growth by maintaining such practices like regularly cleaning our hair, making sure our scalp is clean, also eating a healthy diet, and always staying hydrated. The only reason I'm sharing these tips with you guys is because I always get a lot of questions from people on how I grew my hair, the tips that I'm using to grow my hair, and how I did it. So basically, you just have to maintain all the practices that I've explained to you earlier. Yeah, and I think you'll be able to achieve your desired hair growth and length. And don't always forget to pray for your hair and ask God to bless you with hair growth. And I know He's going to answer your prayers. So make sure to apply the hair mask on the tips and the strands of your hair to make sure it benefits from the vitamins and the nutrients found in this mask. So once you have covered your scalp and hair with the hair mask, you need to gather your hair in a bun to prevent any mess and also prevent it from dripping. It also makes it easier to put on a shower cap. So I'm just going to cover my hair using a shower cap or a plastic bag, and this serves several purposes like heat retention, prevents dry out, and enhances absorption. So using a shower cap during the application of this hair mask help to optimize its benefits by creating a controlled environment that promotes deeper penetration and effective nourishment for your hair. Leave the mask for 20 to 30 minutes. So the time is eventually over, and I'm going to rinse the mask out using cold water to remove most of the mask, and make sure to rinse it off thoroughly and use your fingers to gently work through your hair and remove all the mask. Apply a mild shampoo focusing on the roots and scalp and gently massaging to create a lather. This actually helps to remove any buildups and dirt from your scalp. So if you don't properly clean your scalp after applying a hair mask, there are so many things that can arise. For example, product buildup, blocked pores, irritation and itchiness, dandruff and flakiness, and also weighing down your hair. Also, there is unpleasant odor. So make sure to shampoo your scalp twice to remove all the buildups and ensure a clean scalp and hair, and therefore clean scalp promotes hair growth. So guys, I'm just using lukewarm water for the last rinse. I hope you enjoyed learning about my DIY egg mask and find it as helpful as I have. If you try it out, let me know in the comment section how it works for you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share it with anyone you think might benefit from it. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. As always, I'm grateful for your support, and let's ride together through this journey. So guys, that's all for today. See you on my next video.